Yes, I was going to say.
Now I'm become an expert. It's all thanks to you people. All techno savvy people have taught me how to disconnect the audio, how to connect it, how to, do different things. But we know that we have one gaddar in the class. You know who? Whom am I talking about?
Advait.
Talk.
No.
Imposter among us.
You, the one who just spoke.
Sayyad.
Sayad, you know what he was teaching me that day to do? And then Advait said, don't do it.
Oh, Alt F4. He was trying to make you do Alt F4.
Yes.
It doesn't work. If it does,
He
if you do
actually,
that, your whole laptop shuts down.
yeah, he wanted me to do something wherein, you all would have a holiday.
No,
Yes, you're the gaddar
Man,
of the
he
class.
doesn't want
But if
to. He
Miss,
doesn't
but
want
if
to
you
study,
do
and
Alt
he
F4
also.
when Chrome is open or Microsoft Edge is open, it will just close the browser.
no.
Yeah.
If you press it more than once, it will shut down. If you press it once, the window which is open, just like the Zoom, will close. And even if you're closing the Zoom, it will still show the option like leave meeting, cancel. So I knew what I was doing. I didn't actually mean to do it. Even if ma'am even did Alt F4, it would just show this thing, leave meeting or cancel. It will show the option of not doing it too.
Okay. I thought you wanted me to just take a chutti for the entire day, and not only your class, I would have gone. Other classes also I wouldn't be able to take them. Okay.
Yes, you can turn on the laptop. It just shuts it down.
Okay. Chalo. So we were
Turns
talking
off.
about 10.3, and we're talking about more energy stores, different ways by which, we can make a simple machine or a complex machine work. We were talking about the wound up spring. We told that, that is the chabi bharaving thing which is there. And the other thing that we were talking about is one uses a heavy weight which has to be pulled upwards. That means, what happens when the clock is moving slowly and gradually, that heavy weight is coming down, okay, on the clock. And then you need to, again, chabi bharao so that the weight goes up, and then slowly it comes down. Are you getting me right?
Yes.
Yes, have you understood how these how this energy is used? Yes. Advait, we need a little scroll up so that I can do activity 10.3a. I can read only half. Okay. No, that's all. Thank you. Okay. So now each toy needs an energy store to make it work. Examine some different toys. Make sure you know how each one works. Okay. Now there are different ways by which, you will have different toys working. You will have to just analyze what kind of energy they are using. Few of them will be straight away like the battery operated ones.
Like a button or something like that.
Yeah, so it is like, the chemicals in the battery are the energy that is stored.
And
Okay,
ma'am, also some of them you just have to move them, like upside down or like that left, right.
Exactly. You will have few cars which will run on battery, and the others will be like, you just pull it behind and it goes in front.
Those were there, like which
it's
you
like
pull
a rubber
back
band.
and then it
It
goes.
gets pulled back and then it leaves.
It's like the rubber band, idea where you just pull it behind and the energy is got stored into it, and then it goes running. Okay, so different toys, different energy store, and it is working differently. Okay. Now tell me that when we are winding the spring, what are we actually doing to the spring? Can you tell me?
We're charging it up. We are twisting it.
Pressing the spring. Pressing it.
We are storing energy into it. Can I say we are storing energy
Winding
into it?
Not
when we are winding
stretching.
the spring. Okay, so that
So
when we
stretching, right?
leave, when we stop winding, then it gets unwind. So the energy that I had stored while winding it, then it gets unwinded. You're understanding what I'm speaking, bachalo?
Yes, ma'am. Can you see me?
Yes.
This I don't understand what you mean by the spring. I didn't understand
See,
the spring.
Advait, spring is, when we talk about a spring, have you seen a spring in a pen? A round one?
Yes, like that spin. A spring. I was thinking if it was like a metal spring, how would we turn it? Then I realized that that small little
Yeah, the small
those are not
springs
very
are there.
strong.
See, you can see that lady holding springs. Can you see?
Those are used in trampolines. Those are used.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So what I mean to say is that a spring can be small, a spring can be big. Okay. But the function is the same. When you push it hard, you're actually storing energy to it. When you release your hand, then what happens? The energy is released and the work is done. Okay. So we will just read this part and try to understand. You may have to work hard to squash a stretch of a spring. छोटा स्प्रिंग रहेगा जो पेन में रहता है तो वो हाथ से बहुत इजीली सप्रेस हो जाएगा. Okay, even in that what are we doing? We are storing energy. We are storing energy in that spring. You get me right? Advait, have you understood, beta?
Yes, Mama, I understood. I'm Mohammed, not Ajit. I was
Yes,
going to say
Advait,
that,
have you
and then you were
understood?
like,
Because
Ajit,
earlier we
we
had some
understood.
doubt.
Yeah, I didn't understand what spring you meant. That's why I had a doubt.
Okay, it can be any spring, beta, any spring. Okay. Now, when you let go the spring, it returns back to its original length. Yes or no? When it returns
Yes.
back
Yes.
to its original length, then it is actually releasing the energy that we stored by pushing it down. Okay.
Means
We
we are
say
stretching it.
that, yes, beta.
So we are stretching it, right?
Yes, we are stretching it. When we are stretching it is another way. Okay, again, that is another thing. When you are suppressing it, you are giving energy. When you are leaving it, it releases the energy. Okay, the other way is when you are stretching it again, what are you giving? You are giving energy to it. And when you are leaving, it comes back to its original length. Do you understand what I speak? Two ways. One is
Yes.
by suppressing, you can store energy. Other is by pulling, you can store energy. Do you get me right?
Yes.
Okay. We say that a stretch spring is a store of elastic energy. जब हम लोग उसको stretch करते हैं और वो वापस get back to the normal होता है, so we call it elastic energy because it comes back to its original what? Size.
Spot.
Okay.
Original what?
Original size.
Spot.
Or
Size,
original
yes, yes.
shape. Okay. Chalo, can we
Ma'am, look
store-
at this lady. Just stretching a chest expander is hard work and strengthens your
I want
muscle.
you to take
She's
us
so
on the next
happy right now.
page. Advait. Yes. Now we are learning about storing energy in a raised object. Okay. A hammer is a heavy object. To hammer a nail, you lift the hammer and you hit it. So when you lift the hammer, you are giving energy to it. And when you are putting it down, that energy is now put on the nail and the nail goes inside. Do you understand what I speak, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
साकिब समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means even when we lift some things or if we raise something, still what are we doing? We are giving energy. Is it very clear? So I read again. A hammer is a heavy object. To hammer in a nail, you lift the hammer up so that it stores energy. Then you let the hammer fall. Then the energy that you had stored in it now starts to bang the nail. You get me? To lift the hammer, you have to overcome the force of the gravity pulling it downwards. Yes or no? Gravity is always pulling
Yes.
something down. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you are taking the hammer up, you are going against the gravity. Yes or no? So you are
There's
putting-
only one thing it can't pull.
Yes. Tell me.
It can't pull the planes and the rockets.
It does.
The bird.
It
It
does
can't
pull.
pull the.
It does pull.
Rockets and planes.
I will tell you,
You know
it
they
does
need
pull.
a
The
lot of
gravity
power
will
to
pull the
go
aeroplanes and
against
the
the
rockets,
gravitational force.
but the aeroplane is carrying its energy to go up, the fuel, and that is why it's not coming down. The moment the fuel is over, aeroplane का दम देखो gravity के against ऊपर रह सकता है? नहीं. So that means what? Gravity is working on it. But what is letting it fly is the energy that we are storing in it. Getting me?
So
Advait?
energy is cutting energy.
Exactly. Exactly. Yes, it is. And जिसका energy खत्म हो जाएगा, वो नीचे आ जाएगा. अभी gravitational force में तो
Earth's gravity
या we उसमें
goes
खत्म होने
away.
का सवाल ही नहीं है. It is there always. Okay. चलो. So I say that when we lift the hammer, we are overcoming the force of the gravity pulling it downwards. So we can say that the raised object is a store of gravitational potential energy. What is it? Gravitational potential energy. When you raise the
GPE.
object. So what energy are you storing when you're raising it? You are storing gravitational potential
Energy.
Okay. Now water is stored behind a dam. Yes or no? You know about this? Water is stored behind a dam.
For electricity.
Yes. Water stored behind a dam is a store of gravitational potential energy. When the water flows downwards, its energy can be used to turn a mill wheel or to generate the electricity. Okay, so this is how hydroelectricity is made, produced. Do you understand what I speak? What is hydroelectricity I just spoke about?
Water, electricity, hydro is water.
Electricity made
Made by
from
water.
flowing
Water.
water, from the energy that is there in the flowing water. When energy is made from, electricity is made from the energy that is stored in flowing water, potential energy that it has, it is called as hydroelectricity. Is it very clear till here, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just scroll down, Advait. And we need to write the summary quickly. Chalo. 2 points. It should not take time.
Done, ma'am.
So quickly. Very good.
I started before you said.
Okay, no issues. Advait, is your book complete till today? Yes, Advait. Today you can't run off also. You know, you're sharing the screen. If you run off, then how will I teach? Is it done, bacha log? Mohammed, is it done? Saqib? Sayed, are you writing?
1 second, ma'am.
Shamila, Hanif?
Wait, what happened? I can't see anything.
What have you done?
Sorry, somehow it went down.
Okay,
I
do you
wasn't
do
even
one thing?
pressing. It's almost there, miss. Almost. I just
Yeah, it got scrolled down actually.
somehow. Yes, somehow. It wasn't me. I
We need
promise.
10.4.
Oh, yeah.
No, this is 10.5, beta. 10,
Yes, yes.
that's fine. Fantastic. Everybody, are you understanding what I'm teaching? Shamila, are you
Ma'am, I
writing
didn't
in
write it
class?
completely, the summary.
Pardon?
Yes.
I didn't complete the summary. Oh, yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
write it quickly.
Done.
Very good. Hanif, are you paying attention? Today Asma is there? Yeah, she's there. Afaq is there in class? No. And Shiza is not there. Fatima, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, beta. Mohammed, can we go ahead, beta?
Ma'am, you said spring, it gets winded up or does it get like stretched?
See, two ways, no? One is the you know, okay, yes, Asma, I saw you. See, when we are winding it, it is another mechanism. And when we are doing with the spring, it's another mechanism. Do you understand what I say, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Advait, 10.4. Yes. Everybody pay attention. We are doing thermal energy. Whenever we heat something, it gets hot.
We can see it with the thermal detector.
Yes. Yes. Whenever you heat something up, it gets hot. We say it is thermal energy. That means जब भी कोई चीज गर्म होगा, so we will call that to be thermal energy, storing thermal energy. Okay, the hotter it is, the more energy it is storing. Okay. Now here is a way people use heat water. People used to heat water to cook their food. They put large stones in a fire. The stones became very hot. They stored a lot of thermal energy, and then they put the hot stones into the water. The water became hot, and the thermal energy of the stones spread into the water. This is what people used to do long time ago. Do you get me? What they used to do, they didn't know how to use the energy. They
They
were
can directly
experiencing.
use.
Yeah, they were
They can
experimenting.
directly.
Yes, they heated the stones. And how they heated the stones? They put the stones into the fire. Now the stones became hot. The stones stored the thermal energy. Then they took those hot stones and put it in the water. So the water started getting the energy that was stored in the stones, and water began to become hot. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Tabish, is it clear? Advait?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, just scroll, Advait. No, we don't want this activity. Yeah. Thermal energy escaping. A good energy store is one which stores its energy for a long time until it is needed. Usually what happens, you heat and it becomes cold. Okay, till the time you are doing something, if it becomes cold, now tell me, is it then use for you? Can you use it then? Is it of any use to you then? No. So we need an energy store which stores the energy for a long time. A battery can store its energy for years after it has been made. The energy in petrol or gas has been stored for millions of years. Thermal energy stores are not like that. आप कोई भी चीज को गर्म करोगे कुछ समय के बाद वो ठंडा हो जाएगा. Yes or no? So can we say that
Yes.
thermal energy, on the basis of thermal energy, can we do lot of the things? No.
What,
Okay.
ma'am?
See, what happens is the other energy stores like the battery or the fuel, they can be stored for million of years. But thermal energy, when we are using thermal energy, what is thermal energy? You are heating something. Okay. Energy is getting stored.
Basically, the heat energy.
Yeah, heat energy. And when it is passed on to something else, okay, when it is passed on to something else, the energy is over. Yes or no? So you cannot use that thermal energy stores like how you use a battery or you use the fuels. The energy of the thermal energy spreads out into its surrounding so that a hot object cools down. The surrounding works to cool the hot things. If you hold your hands close to a hot object, you feel the energy spreading out of it. You might have seen, when it is cold, you go down to the villages or towards the hill stations, you will see, people sitting next to fire. Or you might have heard of the fireplaces people have in their, houses. Yes. So what do? When it is very cold, they go and sit near the fireplace. Fireplace is a place, where they lit the fire so that, the thermal energy is surrounded.
Where
And
Santa Claus comes from.
exactly. Yes. That place I'm talking about. Is it very clear till here, bacha? Thermal energy is clear? Okay. Just push down a little, Advait. And this summary you will write. 2 points very quickly, finish it off. A hot object is a thermal energy store. Energy spreads out from a hot object to its surroundings.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody is done? So today we have covered 10.3 and 10.4. We will go ahead in the next class. 10.5 I will teach you in the next class, the kinetic energy thing. So Advait, you may stop sharing.
Can you show that once again, that summary part?
We'll do it in the next class, don't worry.
I'll send you the.
Yeah, you can
Summary.
send him the notes.
Just
or
tell me in the
whatever.
next class.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we end our class for today here.
Bye.
We'll meet tomorrow. Bye-bye.